Our new volunteers start off at green level, and that's first time beginner, and we start them from scratch, like how to handle a horse on the ground, just safety, and then we go, once we have checked you off, then we go to our yellow level, which it requires a more experienced handler. For some of the horses, we categorize them in levels too, just like our volunteers. We try to match our volunteers with the correct level so that we ensure safety and productivity as well within the program. The yellow level clinics, we decided to start doing those, and it was to help give more time, in-depth time for our more advanced volunteers. We opened it up to the green level so that they could audit and watch. The yellow level was designed to, clinics were designed to just help teach people and educate people on how to deal with what we do here, how to deal with horses every day, training, things like that. So that the goal is to help educate people so that we don't have a repeat of what we have here. And a lot of the horses that come in here, I've seen over the years from when we started this to now, a lot of the horses that come in is just lack of knowledge of how to truly care for a horse and what's entailed with that responsibility. Once they finish yellow training, the idea is to hopefully encourage them to volunteer hands-on more with our rescues, whether they just want to help with general maintenance around the farm or really get hands-on with the horses. And we help with the whole educational process with that. We help guide them while they're doing it, as well as just oversee it. We just mentor them throughout the program. By the time you get to red level, you should have the tools and skills to be able to own your own horse and take care of it day to day at home, and be able to effectively, do some basic groundwork and things like that. Red level is really for our very advanced, almost a professional like myself.